Redditors who were born at a very young age, what is your story? 1. Not me personally, but a friend of mine was born on his birthday. 2. I remember when I was applying for a job as a fashion editor, they asked me what made me get into fashion. I didn't know what to say, so I said I've been putting on clothes since I can remember. Both the interviewer and I started cracking up. I got that job. 3. To be honest with you, it was pretty rough. I couldn't talk, so I had a real tough time expressing myself. It got so frustrating I'd just cry and cry. Sometimes my mom or dad would be there for me, then they'd cover their face and completely disappear from my world. Also, I could not stop pooping myself, so no one respected me. Consequently, they kept treating me like a baby. 4. I happened to be born extremely young. In fact, I also happen to have been the youngest person on the planet, even if only for a very short period of time, presumably. 5. I was born naked. 6. I was so shocked, I couldn't speak for a year. 7. After I was born I started to age quickly, with about 1 second per second. 8. A maniac in blue clothes pulled me out and spanked me. 9. Right after my birth I slowly. Redditors who were born at